In this video, we're going to do a couple of simple calculations having to do with change of state, specifically for water in this one. And so this is going to be our roadmap for what we're going to do. Remember, in the slanted sections, and there are three of those, ice, water, and steam, we will use the Q equals SM delta T equation. And in the flat sections, where we're changing from ice to water or water to ice, and from water to steam or steam to water, we'll use this Q equals M times H for fusion or vaporization, whichever one we happen to be doing. Okay, so for this first one, how much heat does it take to melt 45 grams of ice to water at 0 degrees Celsius? Well, if we're just melting, then we're in the flat section, the one right here, and we'll use this equation, Q equals M, H of fusion. All right, so here we go. So we're going to use Q equals M, H of fusion. I'm just going to shorten that to FUS. And we've got here 45 grams is our mass times 334, if you remember we talked about that, you can also find that in the book, joules per gram, and so the grams will cancel out, and when we multiply those we get 15, I'm rounding this off, and I cheated a significant digit, but we'll get by with that for this one, 15,000 joules, and that's just the energy necessary to melt 45 grams of ice. Okay, now let's do another one with the same amount of water. This time we're going from water to steam. Okay, now we're going to use the Q because we're just changing from water to steam. We're just in another flat section. This time it's the H of vaporization. So that'll be 45 grams times 2,260. Remember, this is much higher, joules per gram, because it takes more energy to push water apart into steam than to pull the molecules out of the lattice, out of the crystal, into liquid. And when we multiply those together, we will get 102,000. Again, I rounded, so you may get something slightly different. 102,000 joules. That's the energy just to change water to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. All right, in the next video, we'll look at some, doing a little more complicated calculation.